A fish stall helper at Agora Market in San Juan City tested positive for coronavirus disease 2019 last July 1, and this prompted the local government to temporarily close Agora Market. 647 vendors and employees of the market have all been subjected to swab testing. Of the 614 results released, 23 vendors and employees were found infected with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. With this, San Juan Mayor Francis Zamora decided to extend the closure of the market to July 15. Based on the July 8 data released by the San Juan LGU, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in San Juan has reached 481, 134 of which are active cases. 300 have recovered, while 47 succumbed to the disease. Based on data from San Juan local government, the number of new COVID-19 cases in the city has been low from June 15 to June 26, but the city experienced a sudden spike of cases on June 27 at 16. The city also experienced a continuous increase in COVID-19 cases starting July 1, the day when the Agora Market was closed after a fish stall helper tested positive. According to San Juan authorities, Agora Market is the epicenter of the recent increase of COVID-19 cases in the city. Authorities conduct disinfection of the market. Agora Market is set to reopen on July 16, but Mayor Zamora says only those who tested negative and with a health clearance from the City Health Office will be allowed to return to work or open their market stalls. Authorities also plan to designate health and safety officials in the area to make sure health protocols are strictly followed. Meanwhile, portions of 2 streets in the city are considered critical zones after several residents of the area tested positive for the virus. 7 individuals at C. Santos Street in Barangay Balong Bato tested positive, while 6 from J. Eustaquio Street in Barangay Progreso were also found to have been infected by COVID-19. The 2 streets are now under a 15-day lockdown from July 7 up to July 22, based on the National Task Force on COVID-19 Memo Circular, which states that if a street has at least 2 COVID-19 cases composed of either confirmed, suspected, and or probable COVID-19 patients staying in different houses or buildings, then it shall be considered as a critical zone. Local government has also started providing food packs to all 255 families affected of the lockdown, while the police and barangay officials make sure that residents stay inside their houses during the lockdown period to prevent further spread of the virus. Vincent Arboleda, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.